Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset your VS Code settings to default settings. So for the first time you need to go to settings, or you can even open command palette here and simply type the user setting JSON file. So this JSON file contains all the settings that you have done while after you install VS Code. So this JSON file has all your settings. So now to actually reset all the settings, what you will do, you will select all and simply delete this. So simply delete this everything which is there and restart your VS Code. So this is the first way. The second way, this is the most simplest way. Simply delete everything from this file and restart your VS Code. The second way is you simply go to C drive and users, whatever is your username. Here you will find out a folder called as app data. Inside this app data folder you will find this roaming folder, and inside this we have this code folder. So this folder contains all your VS Code files. Inside this we need to delete the folder here which is called as, I think the folder name is, so yeah, so as you want to reset the settings, you can simply delete this folder completely. You can delete this folder, simply right click and delete this entire folder. After deleting that, all the settings, extensions, keyboard shortcuts, bindings will be reset to default. And once you restart after deleting that folder, you can restart your VS Code. If you only want to reset only the extensions, what you can do, there is a folder called as inside this code folder, sorry, inside this roaming folder, you have this, I think it is present inside, yeah, only inside the username. So once you go to the username, you have this dot VS Code folder. So you will see this folder dot VS Code. Yeah, so .vs code folder will be present. So this contains all the extensions, the keyboard shortcuts. So right one by one, you can actually download, or whichever extension is creating the problem, you can delete that extensions folder from here physically as well. So this will also do the job. The last but not least, if you want to entirely delete everything and download a fresh copy, you can actually right click file, open file location, and right click once again, open file location. So right here you will see these are all the files which are present. You simply uninstall VS Code completely to reset everything, and then go to, simply type on Google download VS Code and download a fresh copy of VS Code from their official website. So this will reset everything to download to default settings whenever you download a fresh copy. So these are the ways by which you can do this.